Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I'll be the man behind the camera. In today's video, like you all saw in the title and the thumbnail, we're going to be tinting the headlights on my 2010 XC70 T6. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Alrighty guys, so if you didn't see last video, we did the fog lights. Yeah, I kind of forgot what it was like. Fog lights, and we also did the white part of the tail lights. As you guys can see, it looks way better in my opinion than stock, just because of the black trims all around the XC70. And I've also, oh that's true, I can't show you guys that because that will be the next video. I actually went and installed the proper tires on the wheels, but I won't reveal that to you guys. But this is what that part looks like. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tint the headlights. So on this side right here, this headlight was a little bit fogged up, and I will definitely be taking the tints out some other day and sanding it down properly just so I could see good at night. But for now, we're just gonna go wrap over it, and you guys will see, you won't even see the little hazing up here anymore. This headlight here is way better, by the way, but yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll tint them. I think it'll flow better with the black body lines and the wheels now, but so this is not a very big tint. It is the lightest tint available, so it is a 75% tint. So just like you guys can see here, we could still see on the inside, it is not completely blacked out, so pretty much it's legal to the point where you could see the lights, but not too dark, just like black paint. So let's get right at it. Alrighty guys, so step number one, I'm actually not sure that I'm gonna do the same as when I did with the S80 V8. I think what I'm gonna do, just gonna bring this up a little bit guys, give me 1 second. Okay, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be removing them. We'll give it a go because as you guys know, the P3s are quite possibly the easiest taillights in history of humanity to remove. You literally just have to take the two pins out from the top, slide it out, press down on here. It is a little hot because I just came back from driving the car, but this is the most hated part for me to remove. These clips here are just super annoying to remove. It's just annoying because the headlights is kind of sagging and you don't want it to fall, and at the same time, oh my god, it is the most annoying clip to remove.
It is the easiest tail light. No, sorry, headlight.
Okay, well you guys know what, I think I might try to give it a go, wrap over it like this. I think it'll be the best way. I'll just place you guys down here and give you guys a little zoom on it. Let's see here. All right. So that's for step number one. Step number two, I'm gonna grab my glove, try and make it as smooth as possible. I'll grab the film that I cut, please. Which one? Oh, thank you. So I've already pre-cut the right dimensions, guys. What I'm not sure if, I think I'll be able to do maybe two headlights with one. I'm not sure. Because where does this go? See? Oh, I might be able to. You guys know what? It's because, so if I mess up, I have one try, right? Because I have one big sheet like that per light. But I also would like to keep some of it. See here. If I, you guys know what? I think I'll give it a go and cut it. We'll see what happens. I'll put this on right here. And I'll give it a cut right around here. Okay, so let's see here if, oh, no way. Oh my God, guys, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, I think I messed up. Please tell me I didn't. Oh my God, I think I did, guys. I think I really did. I cut it too short. Oh, I'm so mad, guys. Don't learn from my mistakes, please. Please learn from my mistakes. There's no way that this is gonna be big enough. I'm gonna lose my mind. I just wasted a whole roll, guys. It's not gonna cover the full look. It's not even gonna cover it all. How did I do that though? How did I manage to mess up cutting it? Look at that, right here at the bottom. Or maybe I could get away with it. I might, oh guys, I might be able to get away with it. Worst case is I'll do a little line at the top here at the end. Okay, let's see. So step number one is do not do what I just did. Use the full thing. It's better off than cutting it and ruining half of it. Next up, you want to take out the backing paper, and we are going to go and just align it. That's going to be the first thing. It is very tacky right away, eh, guys, so all right, so that's step number one. See here, I'm gonna have a little that part is under the hood though. I think we should be good, because see here, I'm maxed out. That's the issue. Let's give it a go. Worst case, I'll have to order another one and do it again. Kind of pisses me off, but whatever. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our trustworthy, let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. And what you want to do is work from the middle out. So that's what I've learned last time I've done this. You want to work from the middle and pushing the bubbles out. You want to lift the film, and you want to, as much as possible, you want to try and stretch it out so that you don't get those bubbles. It is hard. There's corners that you guys will see that is harder. See, like right here, there's going to be a bubble, but we can chase those bubbles out. That's the important part. So for now here, it looks like I'm all right. I think I'll be good with this right here. You have to work with the film, and you have to be careful not to trap bubbles of air inside. That's the important part. See, like just right here, I have this bubble of air that got stuck, and you gotta try to push it out. It's not easy, guys. I'll be honest with y'all, this is not easy, but if you focus and you put time into it, you should be able to get it going just like this. Right here, I'm just gonna lift it up, heat it up, lift it up, and push all the way down the air bubbles. So I think this portion right here isn't that bad. I'll definitely need to get a blow dryer and warm up the film. I think you guys get the drift now. There's a little air bubble here I need to get out. And when you see it's about to do a crease like here, don't be shy to lift it back up, guys, and put it back. This is my second headlight I've done I am not a pro, but I'm learning. That's what's important. Alright, so I think I've got this side pretty good now, including that bottom section. Yeah, this is pretty good. Just the little part that we're missing up here. So I'll go ahead and do the rest, guys, and I will show you guys at the end once it's done, just so that the video doesn't last half an hour. Oh, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'll see you guys right after. Alright guys, so I'm done. Not the best job. I don't know if I did better than when I did it on the V8. These are kind of hard headlights to do. I'll show you guys after the B-rolls what I'm talking about. So the face is beautiful. The only issue is the very top of the corner of the headlights. It's very hard. I didn't have anything to heat up the wrap, but I mean, if you look at it fast, it looks very good. But then when you get closer, you see all the ripples and the imperfections that I've done. I'll just show you guys here a little bit what I mean. You guys can definitely see the imperfections here. And well, here there's I'll have to redo it. Quite honestly, guys, I will redo it. I'm trying to show you guys, but I'm not even showing you guys anything. I'll have to redo them. I'll have to order more tints. But like, you know what I mean? If I look at it from right here, it looks good. But as soon as you get close, you could just see all of those ripples all around the top. But the face over here, I did actually surprisingly well. And same thing with this. The face over here is all perfect, and then as soon as you get to the top here, I had the same issue on this side as well, with the ripples going all around here. But yeah, anyways, I'll give you guys still some final result B-roll, just because I think it flows better with the car now. Still not very happy with the end result, but we'll do it again. You guys know we always make it good. So all right guys, enjoy the B-rolls.
Not your friend. I'm not your friend or anything. Damn, you think that you're the man. I think therefore I am.
So, like y'all could see, it's not perfect, unfortunately. I'll have to redo them again, definitely. And I kind of really messed up on the left side headlight, like you guys saw. This is the little cut that I had to do. It doesn't show too much, quite honestly, but if you go very close, you guys can see that there's a cut that I had to add another one to make sure that it does fill in the space quite well. But hey, you live to learn. I'm definitely not a rapper, and this is the second time in my life I've ever done a headlight. So I guess with a lot of time, a lot of effort, and probably some heat, could have been perfect. It looks decent, doesn't look that good, but I'll definitely redo them again. I'll just order the film and go through the whole process one more time. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. The XC70 build is coming along. We're starting with the aesthetic stuff. Next video I'll just reveal to you guys, partially now, but I'll reveal to you guys the wheels from the V8 that we installed on it with the new tires. It looks really good. We had to get brand new wheels this time, brand new tires this time to go on the wheels so it doesn't look goofy. But you guys got some pre-video, I'm tired. I don't know if you guys can see it, but anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. See ya, boys.